last class we discussed what is the Euclid's algorithm and solve some question on the basis of Euclid's division lemma. Yes or no? Today we solve the question of 4 of exercise 1.1. In this question we have to say use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer. Very important question for your board examination because this question is regularly on a time interval. This question are attempted by the board, so we have to solve this question. It means any positive square number, just like a be a positive square number, that can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay, so we have to prove a square of a number is written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 where m is some integers. Okay, so solution start with the Euclid's theorem. We know a be any positive integers. Let suppose let a be a positive integer and b is equal to, what is the value of b? 3. So we represent b is equal to 3 by Euclid's lemma. We know if any positive integers and b another integer, then a is equal to bq plus r. It is the rough work. You know it. It means if a and b are any two number, then q and r another two number. So Euclid's lemma represent a is equal to 3q plus r. All possible value of r is equal to 0, 1 or 2. It means the all possible values of r is 0, 1 or 2, because we know remainder is always less than divisor. Yes or no? Or equal to 0. So when there is a 3 case, first case r is equal to 0 and another case is r is equal to 1 and the third case is r is equal to 2. Let us know case 1 when r is equal to 0. If r is equal to 0, then what is the value of a? Then the value of a is 3q plus 0. Can you write it in the form of a is equal to 3q. But the question is, we have to show a square of a number can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. So we take a square both sides. We get a square is equal to 3q whole square. A square is equal to 9q square. Can we write it? A square is equal to 3 into 3q square. And again, a square is equal to 3m. Suppose m is equal to 3q square. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो m is equal to 3q square. Okay, what do you understand? A square of a positive integer can be written in the form of 3m. Now I am not a sufficient space on the board, so I erase some portion. At first you write it by the pause your phone, your video. Now, okay, let us start again. Another case 2, when r is equal to 1, because we know how many values? R is equal to 0, 1 or 2. When r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 3q plus 1. So a square is equal to 3q plus 1 whole square. You know a plus b whole square is equal to what? You read it in the class 9. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So you write it 3q square is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Okay? As well as you write it, a square is equal to, you take common 3, then 3q square plus 2q plus 1, and you write it 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 2q. Okay? Understood? In the case 3, when r is equal to 2, then a is equal to what? A is equal to 3q plus r, yes or no? We know a is equal to what? A is equal to 3q plus r, and r is equal to 2, so a is equal to 3q plus 2. Then we have to, the square of a is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Then 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Yes or no? Can you write it? 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Okay? And you take common 3, first 3 term, then you got 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. And if you take, this is an integer, that value is m, then 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Okay? Now we get the a square. In the first case we got a square is equal to 3m. Another two step we got a square is equal to 3m plus 1 and a square is equal to 3m plus 1. So can we write it? From case 1, 2 and 3, we can say any positive integer can be form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer okay. So we can say from the case 1, case 2 and case 3 we can say the positive integers can be written in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m, because we take m, but in there is not the value of m is always equal. You take other variables m, n, o, p, etc. But we get 3 same number m, just like 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and the another forms. Okay. And look at the next question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This question is ditto equal to the previous question, because that question have the square of any positive integer is of the form of 3m or 3m plus 1, but in this question we have to prove the cube of any integer can be written in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. So we start the solution of this question. At first, just like Euclid division lemma, you know any positive integers can be written in the form of a is equal to bq plus r. Yes or no? You know every positive integer a and b have to another number q and r, where a is equal to bq plus r. Okay, you know it, and we discussed it in the last class or the previous classes. Now use Euclid's division lemma to show that a cube of any positive integer. At first we have to take a positive integer, just like a, so let a be a positive integer and b is equal to 3. Some teachers use b is equal to 9 also, but b is equal to 9 has the 9 cases. So very long process, so we take b is equal to 3 because we have to prove only 9m plus 1 and 9m plus 8 as any positive integer. So we take b is equal to 3 here. Okay, let a be a positive integers and b is equal to 3. So by Euclid's lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, but here b is equal to 3, so we represent a is equal to 3q plus r. Now what is the value of r? All possible values of r is less than 3 or equal to 0 and more than 0. So the result, the value of remainder 1, 0, 1 or 2. Yes or no? Okay. The case 1, case 2 and case 3. We got 3 cases. In the case 1, when r is equal to 0, when r is equal to 0, then a is equal to what? Then a is equal to 3q plus 0. So you write it, a is equal to 3q. Now, but the question is prove or show the cube of any positive integers. So we take a cube of the number and you write a cube is equal to 3q whole cube. Yeah, and we get a cube is equal to 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 cube whole cube. And you write it also, a cube is equal to 3 into 9 cube whole cube. Can you represent 9 cube whole cube is equal to m? Because m is an integer and 9 cube whole cube is also an integer, where m is, you write it on the side, where m is equal to 9 cube. Okay. What do you get? Cube of a positive integers in the form of 3m. Oh, sorry. We have to do 9m. Oh, sorry. I have to solve it. Prove it to the 9m, form of 9m. So you take it, please erase it, and you take a cube is equal to 9 into 3 cube whole cube. So you write it also 9m, where m is equal to 3 cube whole cube. Okay. So you get a cube is a form of 9m. In the another case, suppose case 2, when r is equal to 1, okay, then a is equal to what? A is equal to 3q plus 1. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. You know what is the value of a plus b whole cube? I told you in the previous class. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. If you have not learned, then learn it. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So we explain it. A cube is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 cube whole cube plus 3 into a square. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 cube whole square plus 3ab square. 3 into 3 9 cube into a 9 cube plus 1, and you write it a cube is equal to, you take common 9 from each term, first 3 term. Okay, then you got 3 cube whole cube plus 3 cube square plus 1 plus 1, and you will write it a cube is equal to 9m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q whole cube plus 3q square plus 1. Okay, so you got a cube is equal to 9m plus 1 in the case 2. Okay, 9m plus 1, and we have a case 3, so we erase it, case 1. Okay, so right here. Okay, in the case 3rd, because we know case 1, we got a cube is equal to 9m. Case 3rd, a is equal to what? A is equal to 3q plus 2, because the r value of r is 2 here. Okay, you write it when r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 3q plus 2. So aq is equal to what? Aq is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square, and when you apply the formula a plus b whole cube, you got 3 3 9 9 3 27 q whole cube plus 27 q to the power q 3, and 3a square with 3 3 9 and 3 27 27 to 54 q square plus 2 2 4 4 3 12 3 36 q, and plus 2 2 4 2 8, and you take common 9 from first 3 term. Okay, and then you got 3q plus 9 6 6q square plus 4q plus 8, and you write it 9m plus 8. In the case 3rd, you got, in the case 1 we get aq is equal to 9m, case 2 we get aq is equal to 9m plus 1, and case 3rd we get aq is equal to 9m plus 8. Okay, so now we write the calculation, conclusion of the question. From the case 1, case 1, 2 and 3, we can say cube of any positive integer can be the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, any problem? Okay, done. Again, look, this question says any positive integers cube, just like 3 is a positive integer, then 3 cube is equal to 3 3 9 3 27. Can you write it in the form of 9m? Yes or no? Where m is equal to 3, 9 into 3. Any positive integer, just like 8 cube, 8 8 ja 64, 64 8 ja 512. Yes or no? Then 512 can we write in the form of 9m? Is it the factor of 9 or not? Because 516. 512 divided by 8, what do you get? 6. 6 times 8 is 48. What is the result? There you got 3 to 32. 32, 8 4 ja 32. Oh, sorry. 9m. Yes or no? So 9, we got 9, 9, 9, 5 is 45. And 45 is divided by, then we get 6 to 62. 9, 5 is 45, 9, 6 is 54. And we get 8 here. So can you write it? 9 into 56 plus 8. Yes or no? Then we got 9m plus 8. Where m is an integer, that value is 56. Understood? So we have to prove this question. Any cube of any number, just like this. 3 cube is equal to 27, 9m. 8 cube is equal to 9 into 56 plus 8, where m is 56. For any positive integers, the cube of number is in the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. And to prove it, we take a number positive integer a is equal to 3q plus r, where value of r is 0, 1 or 2. When we solve it, a is equal to 3q plus 0, the cube of the number, right, in the form of a cube is equal to what? A cube is 3 3 9 3 27. 27 cube whole power 3. Then we write it 9 3 cube. It is represented by the m. Then we write it 9m. In the another question, a cube is equal to 9m plus 1, where 9 into 3q cube plus 3q square plus 3q plus 1, can write it 9m plus 1. In the last question, a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. So you solve it and try to do some question of the another practice book. Okay, bye, have a nice day.